Rouge et bleu.
Grace and peace. My name is Dickson Guillaume. Some of you may know that my heart is committed to the people of Haiti, especially the youth. I have personally been inspired by their spirit and their resilience. The people of Haiti have shown heroic strength and great perseverance despite the numerous tragedies that they have suffered throughout the decades, but especially since the greatest challenges in the horrific events of the 2010 earthquake. Recently, I've traveled back to Haiti and discovered a few of the most talented young artists in a retreat called Retraite Bénie, Blessed Retreat. I've gathered some of these young voices and musicians from Haiti, here in the US, and in Montreal to join me in this music video. To show the world that we are still standing for and with Haiti, we share this message to encourage, inspire, motivate, and empower. To share that God still sees his people and the diasporas all around the world. This song is dedicated to all who may think that God has forgotten you. God has not forgotten you in your struggles. And I want you to know that he knows who you are. He knows your name. Be inspired, be encouraged. Stay blessed and forever walk on the water, and enjoy the video.
Formed my heart.
Rouge et bleu.